Hello friends, welcome to IIPC India's Master's Program of Human Resource Management. So let's have a small glimpse of what exactly you are going to learn in this particular program with us. So first part which we are going to cover is about recruitments. So recruitments, we will train you on the job portals with the job posting and screening part for different sectors like IT, ITES, manufacturing, retail, etc. So this will help you to get a good job in any of the sectors. Yes, because HR is a need for every sector. The second part which we are going to cover is about core HR. You can also call this module as labor laws or compensation and benefits. Now here we are going to cover provident fund, professional tax, employee state insurance, CTC designing, TDS calculations, bonus, gratuity and so on. We'll train you on all these laws with the practical implementation as well as the real-time calculations and case studies for each and every topic. The third part which we are going to cover is about form filling. The real-time government forms for PF, PT, ESIC, how to fill these forms on government websites as well as manual form filling. The next part which we are going to cover is about payroll processing. So payroll processing, we will cover it in two ways, automated payroll and manual payroll. So in automated, we'll train you on great HR software. This is the best payroll software used by more than 1,75,000 companies in India. The next part is of manual payroll. We'll train you on advanced Excel with the formulas, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, pivot table, pivot charts, etc. We'll also give you some live assignments on payroll to process the payroll of our client employees in your training. Next part is of strategic human resource management. And in this particular topic, we are going to learn joining formalities, induction, performance management system, different techniques of appraisals with their forms, HR audits, training and development, exit formalities, and employee engagement activities. After this, we are going to train you on the world's best ERP system for human resource, the best software which is used worldwide for human resource management operations. So we'll train you on the ERP software of HR, including the topics like organizational development, time office, payroll, recruitment and so on. After this is not only the case, now let's add a cherry on the cake in your training program. Yes, we are going to provide you with the learning management system, a high tech with never before key features in it. So you will be getting access of the entire videos of the topics which you have learned in this particular training. At the same time, you will be getting the access to solve the assignments, the study material. You can also apply for online exams, quizzes, certifications, and last but not the least, the point which you all are waiting for, what about placements? So yes, you will be getting 100% placement assurity through the learning management system where you can apply for the jobs directly at pan-India level through our LMS system. So this is all about the Master's Program of Human Resource Management with IIPC India. So what are you waiting for, friends? Enroll now. Thank you so much.